All right, my friends, I want you to predict what is underneath this square today. Yesterday was January 25th. What is today? What do you think? Lots of hands. That's awesome. What's the number? What's the picture? Gavin?
The number is going to be 6 and it's going to be a math equation.
So the number is going to be what?
6 and it's going to be a
Not
math
6. What is it going to be?
26.
26.
It's going to be a math equation.
Good. You are absolutely correct. So I'm going to show you. I want you to try to figure this math problem out. What would you do to figure this out? You should be thinking about this math problem right now. So I am going to erase this board and I'm going to write the new math equation. So we have 19 plus blank equals 26. Somebody help me figure this math equation out. What should I do? Can somebody walk me through this? Ellie? What is it? Can you walk me through it? What did you do? All right, put 19 in your head. Let's count on. So 19, count on, Ellie. 19, 20, 21. What's the answer? 7.
That's what I was thinking.
That's okay if you didn't get it, but the strategy was awesome, Ellie. So Ellie counted on. So you put the big number in your brain, 19, and you count on. Kendall?
I figured it out a different way.
What did you do?
I took one of them away from the 7 and I knew it would be 6. And then the 19 would have been 20. And I know 20 plus 6 is 26, but it 8 goes the same number by a different way.
Look at what Kendall did. She knows that 19 is really close to 20. So she pretended it was 20. She knows that 20 plus 6 equals 26, but we need to add one more because it's actually a 19, not a 20, so we make it a 7. Do you see that? So there's another way. I want you to come up with a subtraction math problem that fits the fact family of these 3 numbers, this fact family. What subtraction or takeaway problem could we do? What could I write? Gavin?
7.
Remember, in subtraction, our bigger number is always first.
1, 6.
You're right, 26, take away what?
7.
Equals what, Gavin?
19.
Yeah. Who has another fact family equation? There's 4 of them. We have 2 done. We have 1 more addition and 1 more subtraction. Adelie.
7 plus 19 equals 6
Equals?
26.
Yes. Good. Who has a subtraction problem for me? What could you do? Henry.
26 minus 19 equals 7.
Good. So we have 4 math equations, and these are called a fact family. Good. Let's head over to our date. But first, say it with me. Today is Tuesday. That was Wednesday. Tuesday, January
26,
2021. What should I do? To my date. Yesterday was January 25th, 2021. What's today, Nevaeh?
26.
What am I going to change to 26?
The date.
The day, which is what? Right now, what does it say up there?
25.
Yeah, so I'm going to change the 25 to a 26, but I'm going to leave my tens, which is a 2, because there's still 2 groups of 10.
Like I told
January 26th, 2021. What about our days in school? I just added another X. Yesterday was 90. What's today? Ellie? 91. So I'm going to erase all of this. Oh, you're right. So 91. Who can tell me a math equation for 91 using our chart, our days in school chart? Adelie.
91 plus 0 equals 91.
Yeah, if we have it all, 91 plus 0 equals 91. Here's another one for me. Gavin.
100 take away 9 equals 91.
Good. How did you figure that one out, buddy?
Because I knew yesterday was taking away 10. So, it would be 9.
You're right.
So we added another X.
You're right. So that was good thinking. So that's a subtraction problem. He said the whole chart is 100, and then you have to take away our empty squares, which is 9. Who is another one? Take a look at our chart. Kendall.
200
Whoa.
take away 109 equals 91.
That is some really good math thinking. What about if we use the number 50? Remember, 50 is half of our charts. What could we do for a math equation? I want you to turn and talk to a partner. What could you do if we have 50? So half of our chart.
We're really close to BB a whole
Yep. Just talk quiet so our friends at home don't hear. So at home, you should be doing the same thing, thinking about it. What do you think? What could you do?
Well, it's going to be 41.
How'd you know? You're right. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I heard Gavin and his partner talk about it. What was the missing number? 50 plus 41. And how did you figure that out? So when I asked you, you could explain it to me. What did you do?
Well, the easiest one equation ever because I.
What did you look at? So you had half of the chart 50.
So I went to 50 and then I did 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51.
Ooh, only 41. So 10, 20, 30, 41. Good. I want to know how many tens are in the number 91. How many tens? How many groups of 10? Henry. 9. Let's see if he's right. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. How many groups of ones? How many ones in the number 91? Kendall.
1.
Just 1. Good. I'm just going to go like this because our equations are a little bit close. And we are all done with Number Corner today, so head back to your desk, get ready for reading. Nice work. Bye, friends at home.